All right, so we just received this in the mail. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's your best business assistant. Let's see what we got. Oh, check it out. All right, so we get a manual. There's some type of extra stuff. I do believe that this is... All right, so we're gonna have to unbox this. All right, let's take a look and see what this is. All right, so this is it looks like an Ethernet or a phone cord. And I believe this might be let's take a look, let's see. What the heck this is. Oh, okay, so this is some type of a screen. So this has to plug into the machine somehow. All right, so we'll put this over here. Let's move that. And yeah, there it is. See if I can pull it out. It's pretty heavy. Oh, what's back here? Oh, so that's the cord that goes with it. So there's your cord. All right, set that over there. And then this, I think we're gonna have to turn it upside down. You know what I mean? There we go. This thing is heavy, man. All right. Bam, done. All right, so this is it here. It's a bill counter. So that comes off of there. And yeah, I guess we just got to plug it in, and we might have to read the directions. If we flip it over, you're going to see there's a spot to plug it in here. Here's our cord. So let's go ahead and undo this. All right, so here's your cord. Here's where it plugs in. All right, so this is your on and off switch here, I do believe. And this is your the connector to that screen. I don't see where the screen sets on here. Must set somewhere, right? All right, so that's that. All right, I just plugged it in, so it's plugged in. Now this here, I do believe, just gonna unhook it, right? And figure out where we put this. But I do believe it goes back here, right? So here's your connection, right? So that's gonna slide in there like that. Bam, done. Tighten and loosen. All right, so we're gonna have to try this out and see if it works. I'm not sure where this goes. I mean, where do you put it? Just on the side like that? I guess. Now to turn it on, you just press that button. And look, here you go. All right, so, and I think you put them in here, and then it puts them down here. And look, it tells you how many. So basically that's how it works. Now we just gotta put something in there and see if it works good. Oh, so you do like, check that. This one's on European, which I don't, maybe how do I change that? I guess maybe we press it again. Oh, this one's showing dollars value. So you can put what they are there. So they get 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, and $1 bills. So that's pretty cool, right? And then you can restart it here. So I think we're on dollars, but we'll have to, we're going to have to try this thing out and see what we think. But that's basically how you set it up. These are, oh look, I see what this is. So this will wrap them. You follow me? So you get these to wrap them. That's like $5,000, $10,000, 2 and 1,000. So yeah, so you got that. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. And so we'll put those back in here. Let me show you here. See this? Yeah. So here's where you put the money in here, and then it counts it, and it puts it down here, and then it gives you the total. It gives you a total over there too, I guess. So that's kind of cool. I think that's gonna work. All right. So anyway, here is our machine, right? I'm trying to get a good view of this. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, here we go. So here you've got to put in the valuation. Right now it's 10. So if I click this value, watch. It goes to 5, goes to 2, goes to 1, it goes to 100, then goes to 50. And I'm going to put it on 20s because I've got some 20s here that I've saved right here. And then all I got to do is I got to just put it in there, and I'm going to slide them in here. It's going to count them down here. Now I've already counted this, and there's 100 of them, and that's $2,000. So when I slide it in there, that's what it should show me. So let's see if this thing works. It's a bill counter. So we're just going to slide them in like this. Here we go. Look, look at that. This one's like flying out. Bam. Look. Check it out. It hit 2,000. It showed me I had 100 pieces. Over here it shows me I got 100. So that definitely worked, except for it threw this bill out at me. But bam, that's working. So this thing works pretty good. If you have a cash business and you need to count your money, this is a great way to do it. And you can get it on Amazon pretty cheap. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool things like this. Peace out.